Hey everyone, welcome back today. We've got an exciting unboxing and review for you, featuring the Ant Esports SX3 mid-tower computer case gaming cabinet in sleek black. This budget-friendly gaming cabinet boasts some impressive features that caught our attention. So let's dive right in. As we crack open the box, the first thing that grabs your eye is the stylish front mesh panel design. It not only adds a touch of flair to your setup, but also aids in superior heat dissipation. The tamper glass side panel gives you a clear view of your gaming rig, adding that extra aesthetic appeal. Moving on to the I/O panel, we have a USB 3.0 port, a USB 2.0 port, audio and mic jacks, a reset button, and the power button. The inclusion of these ports ensures that you have convenient connectivity options at your fingertips. The Ant Esports SX3 supports E-ATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards, providing versatility for a wide range of setups. The pre-installed rear fan contributes to the cabinet's efficient cooling system, and there's ample space for additional fans with support for 140mm and 120mm sizes. The fast-detach dust filters make cleaning a breeze, maintaining optimal airflow and preventing dust buildup. On the backside, you'll find two dedicated spaces for SSD installation, and underneath, there are two more slots for hard drive installation. This allows for easy cable management and keeps your components running smoothly. There's a dedicated space for your power supply unit, ensuring a clean and organized interior. However, it's worth noting that if your PSU has a basic design with short cables, you might encounter some challenges, so be sure to check for a longer cable power supply. Now, before we wrap up this review, there's an important update regarding the RGB features that we need to discuss. This cabinet comes equipped with RGB back fans, adding a dynamic lighting element to your gaming setup. However, during our testing, we encountered a notable limitation. Unfortunately, most motherboards, including the ASRock B450M and MSIA320 that we checked, lack the necessary RGB header to connect with the cabinet's RGB system. This means we were unable to fully test and showcase the RGB lighting capabilities of this cabinet due to the absence of compatible headers on our motherboards. This has been a bit of a letdown for us, and we believe it's an important aspect to consider before making your purchase. Unlike some other cases in the market, this doesn't come with an RGB hub, making it challenging for users with motherboards without RGB headers to enjoy the full RGB potential. In light of this limitation, we have to give a thumbs down to the Ant Esports SX3 for this oversight. However, we're not giving up just yet. To address this issue, we'll be purchasing a separate RGB header from Amazon and testing the RGB functionality in a follow-up video. So, if you're interested in seeing how this cabinet performs with its RGB features on a motherboard, the T supports it. Stay tuned for our upcoming video. We'll provide a solution to this problem and share our experience with the additional RGB header. That's it for today's review. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.